Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix where the recycle bin just disappears or it's not available for you to see in Windows 10. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is right click on your desktop, go into personalize, okay, and then here you're going to go into themes on your left pane, and in your right pane you can see desktop icon settings. Click on that and this will open the desktop icon menu. So here you can see you can enable or disable the recycle bin, okay, and if you want to enable, you can even enable your computer, okay, and even control panel, okay. So by doing that, just click on apply, okay, and you can see I have this PC right here and my recycle bin all visual. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, hope it helped. Thanks for watching folks.